If you are in a fix and flip business, you know how important it is to know how to correctly market your business. If that's you, stay with us. Welcome back to Jersey Real Estate Insights. My name is Gohar Grigorian, and I have a pleasure interviewing today Glenn Gallucci, private lender, educator, and real estate expert. Hi Glenn, it's always great to have you here.
Hi Gohar, always a pleasure as usual, and today I think we're going to be talking about some pretty interesting topics, as you always seem to come up with them.
Thank you, Glenn. Let's dive right in and start with our very first question. What are some of the things that our investors should have when looking to buy houses?
Okay, as you know, every business needs marketing, and this is no different when you're buying and fixing and selling houses. First thing I tell everyone they should have is business cards, and also have some flyers. Let everyone know that you buy houses. Hand them out all over. Drop them all over. I used to drop them in supermarkets, car washes, laundromats, restaurants, and so forth. Even if you're going to be a wholesale, like finding properties for other investors, you want to get those cards and flyers out there so people know that you buy houses. You never know when someone needs to sell their home quickly, and when that happens, you want them to be thinking about you. They want to be, you want them to be in a place where they can see your card, they're getting their car washed, they're shopping, they're doing their laundry, at the laundromat or whatever. You want to be out in front of them. So it's extremely important to have plenty of business cards and flyers stating your business and what it is that you do, that we're going to talk about a little bit, I assume, also.
What exactly should be on those cards and flyers?
Okay, first of all, in big bold letters, you want to put, "We buy houses cash." Any condition, any price, any situation. Then you want to put your phone number, and that's most important. Use colorful cards. Yellow with black letters, orange with black letters, red with white letters. It all stands out, okay? You don't just want to have something plain. It kind of gets lost. Have something that grabs your attention. Another thing is to have a simple web page or landing page. You can get these, it tells you about your business. You can get these simple templates at online places. A couple I have in mind is it's called 99designs.com. And then you just add your information in there. For more advanced investors, you can go to carrot.com and you just add your information. Everything is done for you. It's almost like a plug and play, and it makes you look like you're professional and you're in this business. So again, simple web page or landing page.
Great information, Glenn. What are some other ways that their business cards can stand out from the rest?
Okay, one of the ways is, and we've talked about, we buy houses, but how about if you put your name in it, like Mary buys houses, Teddy buys houses. Put your picture on the card. Most people want to see who they're going to be interacting with, and it establishes a sense of trust. And you know what? Most investors just don't do this. Put it out there. Show the people who they'll be speaking to. Again, and it gives them a little bit of having a little bit of trust as well by you saying, "Here's who I am. Let's sit and talk."
Thank you, Glenn, for sharing all this great information. So my next question would be, can you advertise like this to buy houses without real estate license?
That's another great question. And yes, you're trying to buy a house for yourself directly from the seller. Just like you can sell your house without being a licensed real estate agent. But remember this, you can't try to match a buyer with a seller or a seller with a buyer. Now you're acting as a real estate agent, and you must have a real estate license. Once you have a property under contract, you can assign that contract to another person or another investor. And that's called assigning your equitable interest in the property and to someone else, to another investor. So that you can do. Once you have that property under contract, you can assign it, okay? You're assigning your equitable interest. So you're not putting a buyer and a seller together. So that's very important.
So you can only buy the property for yourself, and not at that time when you're finding a property, bring another buyer and make a deal. Because for that in New Jersey, you would need to have a real estate license. What are some other ways to market your real estate business?
Okay, that was just a few ways. There are probably over 20 ways to market your business, but here's just a few to give you an idea. Again, like we said before, you want to set up your website or landing page explaining your business. Use a catchy URL like Susie Q buys houses or Friendly Freddy buys houses. Even if it's not your name, just something catchy. Be a little different, right? Promote your business on social media with posts that say, I buy houses fast. I buy houses in cash. Mary buys houses. Bob buys houses. Whatever it is, make it interesting with maybe some different photos. Or you can do a short video of you in front of a distressed house, looking at the house with the overgrown grass and a messy yard. And this will capture the attention of the viewers, right? Be a little different. Get out of the box a little bit. Have some fun with it.
Absolutely love the Susie Q buy houses one. Thank you, Glenn. Very informative information for our especially new investors who are looking to get into business, to know how to get out there and find deals and be more productive. If you have any further questions, how to market your real estate business, click the link below and we will see you on the other side. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we always love to hear your comments. Thank you for watching.
Okay, thank you everyone for watching, and we hope you found that interesting. And if there's anything else you might want to know about marketing your business, your buy, fix, and flip business, click the link below, contact us, and set up an appointment. We'd be more than happy to help you out. My name is Glenn Gallucci, Peak Private Lending. Click the link. We'll see you on the other side.